second. Sorry, guys. I had technical difficulties. We're going to give people a few minutes to show up. I hope it's working. Maybe? Give it a few minutes. Oh, it's not working. There we go. Hi, Elise. Sorry, you guys. I had technical difficulties. My phone wasn't connecting with the network for the Facebook Live, but I think we're here now. Please let me know in the comments if you can hear me. We're going to give people a few minutes to show up. We're all decked out over here for the holidays. Hi, Kathy. Sorry, I had technical difficulties. Hi. How are you guys doing? Oh, my ugly sweater dress. I thought it was perfect for this holiday cook-along. How are you guys doing? Is anyone else super stoked that tomorrow is Friday, or is it just me? I feel like this has been the craziest week ever. If anyone else is with me, let me know. We're at the tail end of Mercury retrograde. You guys like my garland? Made my kitchen all cute. Okay, cool. Can you guys hear me? I'm gonna come look at the comments to make sure you can hear me. It's a little far away. Okay. All right, I think you guys can hear me. Okay, hi Nikki, hi Liz. Okay, hi guys. Hi. Okay, so stoked. Sorry, had technical difficulties, but here now in my ugly Christmas sweater, although I really think it's cute. Hi Jamie, how are you? All right guys, cool, we're all here. So, you guys all know who I am. Hi Nikki. Today, I'm Genevieve. I should probably say that. From Fitty Foodlicious. You can find me on Facebook at Fitty Foodlicious. You guys all know who I am. I just wrote my first cookbook called the 5-ingredient paleo cookbook. Shameless plug, it's right here. In stores nationwide, you can get it on Amazon. But we are here today to do a holiday cook-along. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how to make the cutest, easiest, healthy-ish peppermint bark yogurt parfaits. And we have different sizes, so they're nice and portion controlled. We have a little baby one. They're so cute. I hope you guys can see everything okay. Okay, so I'm so stoked to be here. Tomorrow's Friday, everything is good. This is the easiest recipe. This is really good for when you have last minute guests coming over, or if you have people who are like, I want like a little bit of chocolate, but I don't want to go overboard. This is your jam. These are my peppermint bark yogurt parfaits, and they're super fun. They're super easy. So all you need is whole milk yogurt. I've got the European style whole milk yogurt, or you can use Greek yogurt. If you're dairy free, hi, how are you? If you're dairy free, you can use coconut yogurt. Coconut yogurt is really good. It's delicious. So there's totally different options if you're dairy free, but this is what we're using today. Organic whole milk plain yogurt. Then we're gonna use a little bit of peppermint oil. So I've got, hi, how are you? I've got organic peppermint oil that we're using. I'm trying to see your comments. I'll have to read them after. And then we're gonna use some brownie bites. So these are just, this is semi-homemade, healthy-ish dessert, because you guys, a lot of you guys are moms on the go, you've got families coming in from out of town, you don't have time to make brownies from scratch. Seriously, these are portion-controlled little brownie bites. You buy them from the store and they're tiny, and you can do one per parfait. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then we've got some peppermint bark, because really, what are peppermint bark yogurt parfaits, without peppermint bark? And then we've got blueberries, and hear me out, we're using cranberries, but you could also use raspberries. These are fresh cranberries. I just dropped some in my yogurt, whoops. But what I did with my cranberries is I sweetened them with a tablespoon of honey. So they give it a little bit of sweetness, but it also gives the yogurt parfait a little bit of tartness. But if you're like, gee, I cannot do cranberries, by all means use fresh raspberries. Super easy peasy. There's my dog in the background. Sorry, that's Marilyn making her Facebook Fit Approach debut. And then we're using just a little bit of cacao powder, and that's it. Like, seriously, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Whole milk plain yogurt. Use coconut yogurt or Greek yogurt. You know, sub in the kind of yogurt you want. Brownie bites, peppermint bark, cranberry, blueberry, cacao powder. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's super, super easy. This recipe is also on my blog, or will be on my blog today. But as you can see, so really fast, this is like a cute little holiday idea if you have friends and family coming over. I just got this platter. It's like a red and white Christmas platter. I hope you guys can see this okay. Give me a like if you can see the parfaits. And then I just got some Christmas tree trimmings. I literally just trimmed this from my Christmas tree, put them on the platter, and then place the yogurt parfaits on top. Oh, cool. Easy peasy. And then just add in a candy cane and a little bit of greenery, but we'll get into that. So we're just gonna scooch these over here. Okay, easy peasy, guys. So let's show you guys how to make these. So I have 2 different sizes. Portion control if you're, you know, you don't want to be like eating tons of dessert, or the big one, which is what I prefer. And all you're gonna do for my yogurt, which I spilled cranberries in, I took 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil into about 16 ounces of yogurt. But you could do, this is a 32-ounce container, so if you're having a ton of guests come over, you're going to want to use the entire container of yogurt, but I just use 16 ounces for all 4 of these. And then you take 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil, and you want real organic peppermint oil. Put it right into your yogurt like so. And then I did about a tablespoon for 32 ounces, but you can do less or more. I would add honey or coconut sugar or brown sugar. So you just add a little bit of honey, because you guys, yogurt is super tart, right? So we want a little bit of a sweetness. Oh my gosh, I want to read your comments, but you're so far away. Okay, so then you literally just take the peppermint oil and the honey with the yogurt and you mix it together. Seriously, easy peasy. If you give it a really good stir, the honey will dissolve. There's no need to warm it beforehand. And all we're gonna do is take a little bit of yogurt into our parfait glass. You can get parfait glasses at a super cheap price on Amazon, Target. I got these iridescent ones at an antique store. I wanna say they were like $2 and they're super rare. You can find them anywhere. Home Goods, easy peasy. Then you're gonna take a little bit of your brownie bites. So for those, if you're asking about portions, you're going to wanna use half a brownie bite per parfait, about. These are just little. Because you guys, seriously, how many of you are moms and you don't have time to make brownies from scratch? Full on, if you wanna make brownies from scratch, you go girl. But this is for like quick, easy, last minute holiday recipes. So these are pre-made brownies. I'll include a homemade brownie recipe as well. And then you're gonna take some blueberries. And honestly, if you don't have fresh blueberries, you can use frozen. They work just fine. Then we're gonna take some cranberries. You guys are so cute, I wanna read your comments. And then we're gonna do a little bit of the peppermint bark. Who knows how to make homemade peppermint bark? Anybody? Raise your hand. Do you guys like peppermint bark? So my goal, what I've been recipe testing, is a healthier version of peppermint bark, but it's not easy, let me tell you. Okay, and then we're gonna do more yogurt right on top. I am totally reading all of your comments as soon as I'm done. Oh, while I'm doing this, who's going to an ugly Christmas sweater party? Kathy, we need to have one. I think we need to go to Portland and have an ugly Christmas sweater party with Liz, Jamie, Nikki, Elise, all of you guys. Like, we just have to do that. That would be so fun. A Fit Approach holiday sweater party. Oh, that would be so cool. Okay, anyways, so that's like the first layer. So you've got your yogurt, your blueberries, your cranberries, your brownie bites, and then you're just gonna do it all over again. Take some cranberries or raspberries to your liking. But you guys, I like to make my recipes a little bit different. I mean, how many parfaits have you seen with raspberries, right? I think cranberries mixed with honey gives a little bit of tartness, and don't knock it till you try it, okay? So some more blueberries, some more peppermint bark, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to garnish it really cute. Okay, and then some brownies. And then you're gonna drizzle the top with a little bit more yogurt, and you're good to go. That's literally the easiest, quickest holiday dessert, super simple. Let me grab a paper towel. I'm so prepared. And then you're gonna take I've got cacao powder. You can just buy it in the bag at Whole Foods, and you just take your little sifter and you put a little bit on like so. Super, super pretty. And we're gonna borrow one of these candy canes to show you how. Pop in a candy cane. You can also use the little mini candy canes. And then all you do, you can use mint, but what I did is I just have this cute eucalyptus, this little greenery, and literally pop it on like so. Obviously tell your guests don't consume the eucalyptus, God forbid, but they can do mint, you can do mint too. And there you go. So see, I'll come up close and show you guys. 2 different sizes. They're super cute. Woo, hello. 1 and 2. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna read your comments really fast. Oh, thank you guys, you're so cute. I like tart, hi Larissa. I like tart sweet combos too, and it's different. Also, how many of your holiday parties are guests gonna have cranberries in their desserts? You're gonna be like the star of the show. They're gonna be like, this is amazing. Nikki, I'm coming to PDX. I'm coming for you. End of December, New Year's, I'll be back. So actually we might be moving there. Should I make that announcement now? We might be moving to Washington. Yep, tree trimmings, you guys. If you're a minimalist Christmas decorator, seriously, tree trimmings. I have another holiday tip for you. Cranberries for garland. Everybody knows this. Just a little string cranberries. Put it around your Christmas tree with some white lights. Boom. Your tree is decorated. All right, guys. Well, I'm sure I've gone over my time, but this recipe is live on my blog today at Fitty Foodlicious. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I'm wearing my ugly sweater, but I think it's so cute. Should I go running in this today? Just go do a quick 5K in my ugly sweater. But cheers to you guys. I hope you liked this recipe. If you make it, please tag me and Fit Approach. Go follow Fit Approach. They're the best crew ever. Tag them, say hi to them, give them love, and let me know if you make my cute peppermint bark yogurt parfaits. And I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas, but I'm sure we'll all talk soon because we're like besties. But I love you guys. Thanks for having me. Have a good weekend. TGIF tomorrow. Bye. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Oh my God, you guys are so sweet. I totally will. Liz challenged me. I'm wearing the sweater. All right, bye you guys. Have a good day. Thanks for having me. Bye.